All right, before we get into the charts of Lido and Rocket Pool, let's get into this article from FX Street. Lido Finance, Rocket Pool tokens rally as traders stake 180 million in Ethereum within 48 hours. Ethereum staked in the deposit contract is on the rise in June, supporting a rally in liquid staking tokens. User activity on liquid staking platforms climbed alongside price rallies in their governance protocol token. In the last 48 hours, 95,000 Ether has been deposited. Market participants staked 180 million in Ethereum in the first 2 days of June. Forgot when the Shanghai upgrade went live. March timeframe, April timeframe. But nevertheless, the increase in volume of staked Ether has resulted in a surge in activity in the liquid staking protocol tokens, Lido and Rocket Pool. The two liquid staking governance protocols tokens are rallying in response to a rise in interest among market participants. Traders are participating in staking on Lido's finance platforms while maintaining liquidity through the tokenized representation of Lido staked Ether. The spike in staking on liquid staking protocols has contributed to high revenue, while prices of governance protocols tokens are yet to catch up. So before Shanghai, you could not remove your Ether that was staked on Ethereum. As an alternative, people were putting their Ether on Lido and Rocket Pool, as you could remove that Ether at any point in time. When the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade went live, that was just bringing more money to the ecosystem. And again, there is pie for everyone. So while Ether's getting a lot of that, Lido and Rocket Pool are benefiting as well. Now, I did a video on these two liquid staking platforms. I had to search for it 3 months ago. So we're going to compare price 3 months ago to now, but I had mentioned there was opportunities in these two tokens as a result of the problems with Ethereum not being able to remove your tokens until the Shanghai went live, but also opportunities moving forward, right? As we're still early in the game, and as money and tokens continue to be removed from centralized exchanges to the decentralized exchanges. All right, so let's look at the charts. We're going to go right to the daily on Lido. I think in that video, nothing's changed. I'd had this support area at 190. Let's zoom out to the weekly. You can kind of see it a little better. Prices were kind of hovering near this 190 band until it no longer held, right? So what did price do? Some say it will be some say it did a liquidity grab, went down to 160, but closed bullish, right? So let's go down to the daily chart now. I'm going to remove this band here, and two areas that my eyes gravitate to is this level here. All right, this was the origin of the move that took out this support at $2, and then what happened? Price came back and reacted, right? And on the downside, this was that hammer candle more than likely that we saw on the weekly chart. Looking at levels here, but no volume. So, but here's some volume. Right, yep. So here's another level here. This is what we call a rally in price base and then a rally higher. and when price came back, nipped the level, and now has reacted. So prices are now in between these two daily levels. Let's just put a price 190. Again, daily buyer's level. This is the daily seller's level. We'll say 260. Price right now is, say, equilibrium, right? The extremes, the imbalances are going to be when price gets back up here, and then or down here. All right, so that's your. If this is a football field, these are your end zones, right? And I would say that price is roughly at the 40-yard line at the moment. All right, let's go to Rocket Pool. Let's see what this is looking like. All right, a lot less volatility. It looks like you had a surge back in April. That had to be when the Shanghai upgrade went live. Yeah, this chart is uneventful. So I think Lido is the largest liquid staking protocol out there. Then followed by Rocket Pool and maybe one other. All right, so I got to zoom out on this one. You have a rally in price, a huge base and candle, and then a rally out. So I'm not going to bother to denote the level, but this is a weekly level at, say, $30, $31. All right, price has already reacted to it. Price has penetrated the level more than 50%. But price did stop at what was previous resistance. Upside, say right now you got resistance at $60. So if I had the choice, I would play Lido. Rocket Pool looks a little dead to me. It appears the volume's in Lido, rightfully so. They have the market share. However, for those fans out there, Rocket Pool, it has grinded higher. Right? If we go down to the weekly chart, it is grinding up. So that's a good sign. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.